Ababahire y'enshonga zabo Minister ow'enshonga zo munda Akol Rose Okul obire otayiro mwanyogu nyamwebazyo okureba ebyombekire ahansharegi yaba bihwire kuyigurwa President Museveni hamwe na President Kagame nibwo barabigure. Bashiru tulyakira orukwebembera abashubuzi ba sente aba agambire TV West ngwemirimo yabo nebagikorera ahabunkenke abo kubesha regi nerabwamu abantu bingi abamwe obarukwerarikira
nko kutukoritwe omunanko muje sente zitu kutwenda government tuyambeho bate kutereza security rukubasa kutukumera amwanya gwita kitimbo cyitaru muita isikorera basa kureba ngo ka business kit twabasa gumaho twabasa kugera twabasa kusisikara konkabwe bodo kwiyaza kurana neza kwijamwe abantu bingi kandi babanyabwenge bingi kandi abandi abasecurity abandi nabo baryo myanya yabo yibaruho niba kukuma konkitwe ngakanya kita kutukorera kini security yonereka kuma.
Minister Akol ahabwire okolegana na polisi ebase kubatungira omukumi oragumena kuma esente zabo.
Of these border points, one, definitely security, then two, trade, and then three, of course, tourism, as you have noted, as we moved around. Those are the three main objectives, definitely.
Akora agizirengwe sharegi ehwire kuyigurwa kandi agizirengu naza kugambira bebembezi aba babiri okwija okugigura ahamize abantu abarukolera ahamwanyogu ngu ebyo mushuburo ni byiza kongera okukurakurana obwenguto ekozirwe.
For the money changers, this facility on the Uganda side has a provision for a bank and also for other facilities within here. Now, currently, this border point is manned by Uganda police, and the risk they are talking about is not yet apparent. It's only they are trying to plan, perhaps so that they have someone also taking charge at the entry to their forex or money changers room. But regards that, we have told them to work hand in hand with the police that work here so that their anxiety, their needs for security will be handled by the police.
Stephen Mutambi orukulira Mirama Hill border post agizirengu ahansharegi bakinoho ebindi bizibu omuri okubura oburaro bw'abakozi hamwe na nobutaba ahamikutu ya internet.